Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by checking the key and door behavior. Try the key 2-3 times to see how it binds. Once done, remove the outer trim or knob screws so you can access the cylinder. Keep parts organized in a tray. You want clear access to the lock body before you apply lubricant or extract broken parts, because working blind increases damage risk. Make sure to note screw locations so reassembly is straightforward and efficient. Next, loosen the cylinder retaining screw and gently pull the cylinder out while turning the key slowly to align the cam. This exposes the plug and pin stack. Once you see the pins, inspect for dirt, broken springs, or misaligned drivers. These cause sticking. Clean with compressed air and apply a small amount of graphite or silicone spray. Avoid oil. If pins are damaged, remove them one at a time and replace with matching sizes so the shear line is correct. To finish, carefully reinsert the plug into the cylinder housing, aligning the cam and pins, secure the retaining screw and reattach trim. Then test the key smoothly at least 5 times, turning slowly both directions, to confirm correct operation. If it feels stiff, disassemble and recheck pin order or add a tiny amount more graphite. Do not use oil. If the key breaks in the lock or the plug won't rotate, stop and either use a plug follower to safely extract components or call a locksmith.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.